Hello guys, we will be solving question number 33 in this video, and the question says the vertices of triangle ABC. So they are talking about a triangle. So I have drawn one triangle here, triangle ABC, and the triangle R A, B, and C, and they have given the coordinates of point A, B, and C, which I have marked here. A is 7, 2, B is 9, 10, and C is 1, 4. And they are saying further in the question, they are saying E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC. That is what is given until here, right? They are asking us to prove that EF is half of BC, means this line EF is half of this line BC. Okay, so prove this using distance formula, they are saying. So basically now in this question, what I have done according to whatever in the information in the question what they have given, I have jotted down all the points. And now what we have to do is, first we have to find the coordinates of E, and then we have to find the coordinates of F. Then we will find the distance of EF, and then we will find the distance of BC. Already we have the coordinates of BC, so using distance formula we will find the distance of BC. Okay, so first we have to find the coordinates of E, then coordinates of F, and then the distance of EF. And already the coordinates of B and C are there, so directly we will find the distance of BC, and then we will show that the distance of EF is half the distance of BC. So this is how we will prove this question. Okay, so let's begin. So according to midpoint formula, so already in the question they are saying that uh, E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. So we can directly apply the midpoint formula here. So I have taken AB, this side I have taken on the left hand side, on the right hand side I have taken the right side. So A and B, I am taking A point as x1, y1 and B point as x2, y2. And this is the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So first we will find E, the coordinates of E, and then we will go to find the coordinates of F. So let's begin. So x1 plus x2, I have already noted down the points. So x1 is how much? X1 is 7 plus x2 is how much? X2 is 9 upon 2 as per the formula. Y1 is how much? Y1 is 2 plus y2 is how much? 10 divided by 2 as per the formula. Complete the bracket. Then 7 plus 9 is 16 upon 2, comma, 2 plus 10 is 12, 12 upon. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12. So the coordinates are 8, 6 for E. Okay, the E coordinates are 8, 6. Similarly, we will find the coordinates for F point. So x1 is here 7 plus x2 is how much? X2 is 1 on 2. Then y1 is 2 plus y2 is 4 upon 2. So 8 upon 2, comma 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So F coordinates are 4, 3. So now we have the coordinates of E and F. So now what we will do, we will find, here I will solve further. Now we will find the distance of EF. We'll find the distance of EF, and the distance formula is what? It is under root, it is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square into into y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, so let us take E point as x1, y1 and F point as x2, y2. Okay. So here I will note it down if you want. Let's take this as x1, y1 and let's take this as x2, y2. Okay, because we are going to find the distance of EF now. Okay, so we have to, you know, mark. You can actually take F as also x1, y1 and E as x2, y2. Anything is okay because if you calculate distance from E to F or F to E, it is going to be one and the same. Okay, so 4 minus 8 square into 3 minus 6 square. So this is minus 4 square minus 3 square. So 4 is the 16. Uh, and one more thing here we need to write plus sign. Okay, here it is plus sign. So plus 3 3s are 9 and 16 plus 9 is 25 and the root of 25 is 5. So distance of EF is how much? Distance of EF is 5. Now on the next page we will find the distance for BC. So I have noted down the distance of EF. The distance of EF which we got on the last page was 5. And now we have to find the distance of BC. I have noted down the coordinates and I have taken B as x1, y1 and C point as x2, y2. The distance formula for finding BC is this. So now we will input the values. Okay. So x2 is how much? x2 is 1. So 1 minus 9 the whole square plus 4 minus 10 the whole square. So 1 minus 9 is minus 8 the whole square plus minus 6 the whole square. So 8 8 the 64. Let me just rub this 64 plus 36. Okay, 64 and 36 is 100. And when you remove, when you find the root of 100, it is 10. The distance of BC is how much? Therefore, the distance of BC is 10. And you can see here EF is 5 and BC is 10. So exactly the middle line EF is half when compared to the baseline, which is BC when we compared it to the triangle. So therefore, EF is 5 and BC is 10. So therefore, EF is half of BC. So this is what they had asked us to prove and we have proved this. So this completes our question. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much guys.